get a soda. It's tricky ready. That's what you have to think. Oh, there's some coins up here. Told you. What are those? Somebody left their books. That's weird. Don't need those books. But what's the next one? Yeah, guys. I found a 1960 nickel, penny, and a dime. Alright, let's get a soda real quick. Yeah, there was a nickel around here last time. Found a 1960 nickel. The Denver. That's sweet. On top of vending machine, a dime from 2017 and a penny from 1999. Right, we got a 1960 nickel today at Winco. Let's get a soda.
What kind you want, baby?
Beer. Oh damn, he gave us dimes this time. Wasn't trippy. We got dimes.